have our food here. We're gonna boil some water and then we're gonna add it to our food. Now this is a 5-day survival pack, okay? How many calories do you guys usually eat a day?
A lot.
You're probably eating somewhere around 2,000 calories a day, okay? These things, so normally you might eat around 2,000. A grown adult, I probably eat somewhere around 2,500 calories a day, okay? And that's to sustain life, right? To keep going, not to lose weight, not to gain weight, but just to sustain where you're at. If you're wanting to lose weight, you'd probably be trying to get around the 1,500 calories. If you want to put on muscle, you'd probably be in like the 3,500 calories, okay? So this packet has 4 servings in it, and each serving is 260 calories. So how many is that total? So the easy math on this, 260, let's bump that down to 250. So take off a 0, 25 times 4, 100. Add the 0, 1,000. But we shaved off 10 calories per serving, so we shaved off 40, 1,040. So this packet is 1,040 calories. This one is also 1,040. This one is quite a bit less. We're at less than 800 on this one. We're at 600 on the hearty tortilla soup. And the creamy pasta, we're at 800 calories. Okay, so if this is a 5-day survival pack, we don't have that many calories in here total. You're looking at 1,000 to 600 calories per day, which is very little. So you got your survival water. You losing it?
Not sure how big this is. There. I fixed fire. What? I fixed fire. It's good.
Is it good?
Hard to drink.
Yeah.
That's really good.
So there was 5 of those in the 5-day survival pack, and those packages of water say you need to drink at least 2 a day to sustain life.
I think you'd probably die. Yeah, there's not much in there.
So it really shows the importance of being able to collect and purify water. Fortunately, this 5-day survival pack, they had water purification tablets, so you can find water and purify it. And those are 4.2 ounces.
Probably what I should have done. It's good water, ain't it?
Tasty.
It's purified. It's real nice.
So what are your thoughts on the apple cinnamon cereal and the maple brown sugar cereal?
It's pretty good.
Pretty tasty? Think it's pretty good? So we've tried 2. We got 2 more to try. Cheesy vegetable pasta and Southwest beans and rice. So what are you guys' thoughts on creamy vegetable pasta?
It's different. It's a little bit bland compared to normal pasta, but that makes sense.
A little crunchy.
A little crunchy?
Yeah.
I don't think I let it sit long enough.
No.
Probably could have used a little bit more water.
Undercooked.
Noodles a little undercooked.
Better than nothing though. Yeah.
Not bad for survival food.
Still eating it now.
So we're eating Southwest beans and rice. What are your thoughts?
It's definitely one of the better ones.
You like it?
Yeah. Pretty good.
I agree with that.
You guys like it?
Good.
Yeah.
Good. The creamy vegetables at the bottom of the list.
Yeah.
That was probably my fault. I don't think it had enough water and had enough time to sit to make the noodles not crunchy.
The flavor was also kind of bland.
Yeah.
Flavor didn't pop as much.
Wasn't the pasta flavor I was expecting.
Okay. But in a survival situation, it would be pretty tasty, right?
Yeah.